How to backup and restore your files in Windows. In Windows 11, you can use File History feature to backup and restore your personal files. By using a File History feature, you can conveniently backup your files to external or network drives, providing a way to restore them in case of any accidental system instability. Before the process, ensure that you have an external storage device with enough space and that your laptop is fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the process. Let's get started. Search and open File History on your Windows computer. Click on Select Drive option. Choose a target location for your backups and click Yes to enable the File History function. Select Advanced Settings to set up the backup cycle time and the period. Additionally, you can use the Exclude Folders option from the left panel to add or remove folders for backup. After following these steps, the backup will be automatically created on your external device or network location. Now, let's learn how to restore your files using the File History function. Open File History. Select Restore Personal Files. Choose the specific files or entire folders that you want to recover from the backup drive. Click the Restore icon. Your files will be successfully restored back to your Windows 11 system. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. Like the video and share your comments. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.